Well, now, despite this new announcement from the governor, the Attorney General's office says there are still so many people falling through the cracks when it comes to their civil actions and their basic human needs, such as safety, housing, and food. And WJZ is live. Rachel Carden explains the new effort to help. Rachel.
That's right, Denise. You mentioned just a few of those. Also, unemployment, keeping a roof over many people's heads. That's kind of the big concern for a lot of folks. Now, Marylanders say they need help. Either they don't know where to look or they don't have money for a lawyer. This new task force aims to change that. Maryland's Attorney General Brian Frosh says the COVID-19 pandemic and the economic crisis following in its wake is impacting the state's low-income families and those needing civil services now more than ever.
We recognized that the pandemic was going to create immeasurable harm to the health and well-being of our citizens.
A huge concern is the number of people who will be evicted once state and federal safety measures are lifted. One of the reasons, Frosh says, is the abnormally low $15 eviction filing fee.
Some states impose fees as high as $350 for filing an eviction.
Frosh hopes to build up a task force with 5 goals in mind: ensure housing for Marylanders, make sure families are financially secure, be sure all families can put food on the table, ensure safety for all Marylanders, including those in domestic violence situations or questionable living conditions, and grow civil justice resources so everyone can have legal help if they need it, something Lisa Green did last year.
If an attorney hadn't been there with me, I'm sure I would have not won my case.
Rena Shaw is the task force vice chair.
Most Marylanders have had to do all of this on their own.
The Attorney General's Access to Justice Task Force partnered with the Maryland Access to Justice Commission in June of last year and will now be used as a roadmap to help Maryland recover. Now, if you fall into one of these categories and you need help, the task force website is available under this story on our website. We're live tonight at 6 in Baltimore County. I'm Rachel Carden for WJZ.